Buongiorno, baddies. Welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, Alex owns 3 times as many brown shoes as red shoes. So, because this is definitely going to be a ratio question. Brown shoes to red shoes. Twice as many black shoes as brown shoes. So, black shoes and brown shoes. And 4 times as many white shoes as red shoes. So, white shoes as red shoes. What is the ratio of the number of white shoes to the number of black shoes he owns? So basically, we are going to have to split this problem into many, not very many, but like steps, small steps. What I'm saying is, since black to brown is 2 to 1, and brown to red is 3 to 1, that means that black to red would be 3 times 2, which is 6 to 1, since it's double of brown and brown's to red, so that would be 6 to 1. Deductive reasoning always makes your life easier. So this is black, this is red, and white to red stays the same. White to red. So now we just smush this together, and I see that I spy with my little eye. It says white shoes to the number of black shoes, not black shoes to the number of white shoes. So we're going to have to swap our ratio around. So 4 to 6. Can you simplify? 2, 3. So our answer, after taking many small steps, we have gotten a 2 to 3 ratio. Hallelujah. Moving on to problem number 2. 3 siblings have a gift of $169 to split in the ratio of 1/2 to 1/3 to 1/4. And just note here that their least common multiple is 12. Y'all can check my lessons on the least common multiples as well if you want, but like you can sort of tell with these numbers. Anyway, what is the greatest number of dollars that any of the siblings will receive? Since we cannot ratio with fractions, we will have to fractionize these fractions into whole numbers. So if we multiply by 12 for all of them, you will get a good old 6, 4 to 3. And since 6 is obviously the largest number, well, 1/2 was also the largest number, but like we're not going to talk about that because we can't rationize fractions. Fractions are not very rational, you know? Yeah, anyway. Since there are 6, 4, 3 parts, you add them together, you get 13 parts. So the greatest number would be 6/13 of our gift dollar here. Divide 13. Squared is 169 apparently. Interesting number. So we get 78. $78. See, the 3 steps aren't really very much different than the 2 steps. It's just that it just looks harder, so you just don't overthink it, I mean. So yeah, that's the end of this video. My smiley face just went haywire. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new, and I shall see you all in the next one. Ta-ta!